We also have a high surf warning in effect until Wednesday night for most north and west facing shores across the state. On the Big Island, Kahului Beach Park and Mahukona Wharf are closed today. Always check with lifeguards for the latest ocean conditions. And on Maui, all county offices in the Kahului Service Center were closed today because of a power outage. Those included the DMV and real property tax payment windows. Officials say all offices are expected to reopen tomorrow.